Alright, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Why are you leaning towards the dogs that you're gonna win now?
Oh, they play hot dog, hot dog.
Come on. Got the chili cheese dogs.
Yeah, relax there, Kobayashi.
Or who's the other guy that eats them? Chestnut. That'd be nice. Trying so hard not to get my jersey messy.
Holy crap. Huh. They're following these dishes.
I think I'm learning. I would not be good at a hot dog eating contest. Game over.
Oh, it's hard. Over. Oh, hard.